Right, we have got the key. Right, let's put on a wide angle. Loads of heavy nicotine stain. Rippled hardboard. Window seems to be alright. Nicotine, sticky. Very small back garden, overgrown. Kitchen. The house is built 1966, I believe, and this might be an original 1966 cabinet. Great when you see light bulbs like that. And light fittings. It's just dirty. Some pressure in it. Test that and see what's it like. But good thing is it's suspended floor, so all the pipework will go under the floor. They done a lazy way. They went from the boiler up in a loft and then done the drops. Right. Now, my initial thoughts are meters. Right, my initial thoughts are to turn this one bedroom with a spacious lounge into two bedroom with lounge, kitchen, open plan. So take chimney all the way down, take fireplace out, put a stud wall across here, have that as double bedroom and have this as a single bedroom on the back. That door needs to be blocked up. And then wall between toilet and bathroom will go. This wall will go and new one put up against the window, so increases the kitchen. Bathroom doesn't need to be that big. And then that wall there will be removed to form the opening for the kitchen. And where the boiler is, that's going to be doorway there for the back bedroom. So this will be the lounge. I stand back, coming in from the front, bathroom door, kitchen opening, and the bedroom door over there. So all the doors are going to be located in that end. Well, the kitchen is not going to have a door, it's just going to be a big opening. like open plan. This here can be seating area. That there can be nice, nice little, like a little table maybe or something, like a little dining corner. Or maybe sofa here on this side and TV on that end. It's always good to have it against the window so you don't get reflection. And yeah, that would basically be it. Boiler, I'll try this one. It's very unlikely it's going to be any good. Looking at it, it's quite old. Safest bet is to put a new one, but I'll put new one on the gable in the loft above there. And then I could do my main drop in that corner, box it in under the floor and bring the radiators up under the windows where they're supposed to be. This window is I need some more oil on that. Great. Now, first thing first, I'll go quickly through these letters, see what's for recycling and what's for new owner occupier, and see if I need to forward some letters onwards to previous owners. Second thing will be capping off the services. I'm going to turn off the gas, close it, and I'll put some temporary sockets here, a couple of power sockets, and turn the power off for the rest of the house so I can work safely around it. That looks like a small garage key, and I believe that garage, the blue one, it's ours. Let's have a look. Yes, it is. Little key for little gem. Roof seems to be okay. Can't see any leaks. No structural cracks. The little things like that. That's a tiny little crack. That's nothing. It's a nice little space, this is. Oh, look. Even found 2 pennies. Postcard. That looks like a Feltham church, slightly. Ever slightly, but might not be. Dunno. Interesting. And somebody's photo. Sad. It's a life. It's how life goes on. Gas and electrics capped off. Got a spare socket there, just need to get another face plate so I can have double. And draining the radiators now, central heating. Starting with strip out, I'll take all the light fittings and that's coming out. All doors coming out. I'm going to take this door frame, that door frame, that door frame, keeping that door frame there. I'll taking the door out. So just a general strip out now. Everything that is not going to be used, anything that's going to be obsolete, it's coming out on day one. First nasty surprise. Pull the fireplace out. And it looks like it's a graveyard of half a dozen pigeons in there. Nice. The black bits, it's a rat poo. Right, nice. Another little surprise. Water tank up in the loft is asbestos. Nice. Still got some water in there as well. Right, that's going to be another job and a half. I don't think the loft hatch is big enough to get it down. I won't take chimney down. Might be able to get it, pull it up through the roof. There's a chimney there behind. Midday, day one. Fireplace is out. All electrical points been taken out. Doors have been taken out. All the door linings that we're going to shift towards around been taken out. Kitchen sink taken out. That's the only water in the house. Everything else is isolated. Cast iron bath is taken out. Basin is taken out. Some boiler flues from the loft taken out. All system drained. Boiler taken out. A little forest of wood. All the doors. So, going to have a bite to eat and a quick coffee. Then carry on. Also had a missus and daughter clearing the garden a bit, and I put that pile there for Scrappy. End of day one. Might not look like a lot, but this is now pretty much squared up. Central heating has been taken out, electrics have been taken out, bathroom has been taken out, all doors, door linings that are gonna be redundant. It's all been taken out. Boiler flue from the loft. There you go, the bathroom was there. Now getting ready, the boiler was there. So now getting ready for demolition. Need to take that corner out, knock through doorway there, and take chimney down all the way from above the roof all the way down here. So all the way to the loft down here. And we're gonna have a doorway there on that side. Then I can throw stud wall across here and divide this big room into two smaller bedrooms, and that can be blocked off. So tomorrow is Sunday. I don't think it would be fair to neighbors for me to do any demolition on Sunday. So probably going to do in afternoon, maybe around the midday, bit of wallpaper stripping. It's just wallpaper everywhere. As you can see, the garden looks a bit more decent now, front and back. So yeah, some scrap there for Mr. Scrap collector. Some steel and brass and cabling and things. It's gonna make him happy. And yeah, I haven't got dustpan and brush with me. That's why it's that there. Swept up in piles. So tomorrow bring dustpan, brush, wallpaper stripper and strip all these walls. Now I'm dying for beer, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another update on Little Bungalow.